In the vast digital universe where data and algorithms shape our future, we welcome you to AI Tools, your survival kit. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the transformative power of artificial intelligence in reshaping the financial landscape. Financial markets, once dominated by human intuition and expertise, are undergoing a seismic shift. Artificial intelligence, with its unparalleled ability to process vast amounts of data, is ushering in a new era.
They can do all kinds of things. And when something can do all kinds of things, I get a little bit worried. Because I know we won't be able to uninvent it.
Of course, industrial revolution is really accelerating the pace of change, as you can imagine. And the impact for the finance and audit function is going to be amazing.
Picture this, entrusting an AI with your hard-earned savings and watching it navigate the complex world of finance. This isn't science fiction.
Do you think one day AI will be trading instead of humans?
There already is. Oh, yeah. It's been going on for every bit of 3, 4, 5 years.
AI and robo-investing is good. There's nothing wrong with any of it, especially where you're dealing with a very small account and you're just getting started, and it causes you at a low cost to get started as an investor.
I think that we can build a much richer society if we can enable everyone to help to write the future.
The beauty of AI lies in its adaptability. Whether you're looking at the dynamic world of stocks, the more stable realm of bonds, or the unpredictable universe of cryptocurrencies, AI has insights to offer.
However, the biggest barrier that holds us back from making headway on all of those is our mindset. We need to open the aperture and be willing to trust technologies as they come on this journey with us toward autonomous finance.
Modern AI doesn't just analyze. It simulates. By running thousands of simulations, it can predict how different portfolios might perform under varying market conditions.
30 years ago, you thought that really, a human should put together a portfolio. And today we all probably have some exposure to index portfolios that are programmatically built. But we wouldn't think of that as AI today. That doesn't sound right. So really, I think when people use the term AI, they're referring more specifically to strong AI.
While AI's capabilities in the financial sector are nothing short of revolutionary, it's vital to approach with a balanced perspective. No tool, no matter how advanced, is infallible. AI models thrive on data, and their predictions are as good as the data they're fed.
With AI, it can change everything in the world except how men think and behave.
Well, design, because I think artificial intelligence is only doing what we humans ask it to do.
In the setting of big data and analytics, this is an important thing because we don't really know what these cognitive limitations will be when auditors are confronted with big data.
As we stand on the brink of a new era, one thing is clear. The future of finance is intertwined with AI, from robo-advisors offering personalized investment advice to AI-driven platforms predicting market trends. The financial landscape is evolving, and as these tools become more accessible, they promise a democratized financial sector where every investor, big or small, has access to the best tools and strategies.
This is not really something that I advocate, or this is not prescriptive. This is simply hopefully predictive.
AI of the future, I believe, will start asking more interesting questions like, why is the data like that? Will exhibit the ability to be creative.
What Kensho does is it builds computer systems that allow people to make better, smarter, faster, more informed decisions with statistics. So it's actually rather similar to sabermetrics, what sabermetrics, more commonly known as Moneyball.
And there's going to be something that's going to be mixed not only with AI, but with also mixed reality, VR, AR. The next level of integration of payments. Apple Pay has kind of been a success.
Every investment journey is a blend of risks and rewards. While AI offers unparalleled insights, it's essential to approach with caution. The financial markets are influenced by a myriad of factors, from geopolitical events to natural disasters. And while AI can predict and analyze, the onus of making the final decision rests with the investor. It's a partnership, one where AI offers the tools and the investor welds them.
Technology has the promise to bring big benefits for companies, including audit firms, but it also brings risks.
Artificial intelligence, which really means pretty much machine learning, is tremendously advantageous in raising productivity and doing things that are more mundane, and on the other hand, can be very dangerous.
OpenAI was founded on the belief that artificial intelligence has the potential to improve nearly every aspect of our lives, but also that it creates serious risks we have to work together to manage.
I'd like you to understand, what are you good at? What do you know and what don't you know? And then how do you diversify well to have a good return relative to your risk?
In the grand tapestry of finance, AI is emerging as a game changer. Its ability to analyze, predict, and advise holds the promise of transforming how we approach investments.
In month one, this AI was able to take the $30,000 and turn it into $41,969.
I'm already using AI in my business right now, and I'm going to show you exactly what we're doing. And with things like ChatGPT gaining more and more exposure, you're going to see a lot more tools coming out here in the near future that you need to be aware of.
Oh yeah, we use AI too. AI is actually machines thinking and or looking at possibilities that would not have been looked at before.
Our exploration today is just the tip of the iceberg. The world of AI and finance is vast, complex, and full of potential. As we continue our journey with AI Tools, your survival kit, we invite you to join us, to learn, to explore, and to harness the power of AI in shaping your financial future.
We have to really think hard about, beyond just what the data says about what we've done in the past, how do I affirmatively shape the future to look like what I want it to look like?
The world is getting more complex. Ecosystems are getting more complex. Financial systems are getting more complex and global. How are we going to develop this in a way that's still super responsible to the individuals who need financial access, that need it to be fair, that need it to be equitable? But I gotta tell you, the speed of change is just magnified, and just wait till the metaverse catches up with our physical reality, folks. The data's gonna be wild.
As we conclude, remember that in the ever-evolving world of finance, knowledge is power. Stay tuned to AI Tools, your survival kit, for more insights. And together, let's navigate the future of finance.